So guys, this is Olkaria, Kengen. You can see that I love Kengen there. Yeah. Hapa maji ni moto, 25 degrees Celsius, yeah. Kama ulikuwa na any disease, medicinal disease, unakuja unaponywa hapa. And it's not very expensive. It's actually 400 or something. 400 to swim. The entrance is 500, so you come and enjoy. It was an amazing opportunity, yeah. You can see the views there, the hills. And pale juu acha niwaoneshe. Pale juu kuna steam, yeah. The steam is the one that generates the hotness on the water. Yeah? When you're not to swim, you cannot drown because you can actually unaweza kanyaga chini. It's fit oriented. So it was an amazing opportunity, amazing adventure. Mimi nimejibamba, mimi ndio natoka sasa, ndio natoka pale. Yes.